Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start one new topic of chapter 2 and in our previous class we have discussed about closure property, commutative property, associative property and the application of commutative property, and today we will discuss about additive identity, multiplicative identity, distributive property and application of distributive property. Now let us start beta. First of all, let us see what is additive identity. Okay, so to understand it, let us take some examples. If I write here 4 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 6 plus 0, 10 plus 0, 12 plus 0. Okay, so here beta, when we add 0 to 4, then we get 4, here we get 5, here we get 6, here 10, here 12. Okay, so it means whenever we add 0 to any whole number, then we get the same number. Okay, so it means 0 is the additive identity. Okay, in the case of addition, when we add 0 to any number, then we get the same number. Okay, so we can say 0 is additive identity. Now let us see multiplicative identity. Okay, here if I write 12 multiply 1, 13 multiply 1, 15 multiply 1, 500 multiply 1, 6000 multiply 1, then what we will get beta? Here we get 12, here 13, here 15, here 500, here 6000. Means if we multiply any number with 1, if you multiply any whole number with 1, then we will get the same number. Okay, so in the case of multiplication, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay, because in the case of multiplication, when we multiply any number with 1, then we get the same number. Okay, if we multiply this 12 with 2, then we get 24. Okay, so note same number. If you multiply 12 with 0, then we get 0. Okay, because if we multiply any number with 0, then we get 0, not the same number beta. Okay, so जो सेम नंबर है वो हम कब गेट करते हैं? ओनली विद मल्टीप्लाइंग, ओनली बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग विद 1. 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से ही हमें जो है सेम नंबर गेट होता है. सो वी कैन से दैट 1 इज multiplicative identity for whole numbers and 0 is the additive identity for whole numbers. Now students, let us see distributive property. Okay, distributive property means we have to distribute. और किसे distribute करना बेटा? Okay, we will distribute the multiplication over addition and over subtraction. Okay, we will distribute the multiplication over addition and over subtraction. Now let us see the example. If I write here 10 multiply 7 plus 5. Okay, here is given sign of multiplication and here sign of addition. So now we will distribute this multiplication over addition. Okay, we will share this 10 with 7 and with the 5 also beta. Let us see how. Here 10 is written, so now we will write this 7. 10 multiply with 7, then sign of addition. Okay, now this 7 is this 10. Okay, we will share with this 5 also. It means first we will write this 10 with 7 and then this 10 with 5. Okay, so 10 multiply 7 plus 10 multiply 5 and close these into bracket. Now beta, if we solve this side and this side, then we will get the same answer. Let us see here 10 multiply first we will solve the bracket. So 7 and 5 will be 12, and here if we multiply then we get 120, and here first we will solve it and it. So 10 7s are 70, and here plus, and 10 5s are 50. So here we will get 120. So by both side, on the both side we will get the same, is 120, and from here also we will get 120. Okay, so we can say we can distribute the multiplication over addition. Now let us see multiplication or distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, let us see this. Let us take the same example, but here is given sign of addition, but here in this we will put the sign of subtraction. So now beta, now we will distribute this multiplication with subtraction, means over subtraction. So अब हम शेयर करेंगे इस 10 को 7 के साथ और फिर 5 के साथ. So now how can we write this 10, then multiply with 7, then here sign is given of subtraction, so here we will put the same sign. Now 10 multiply with 5. One time we will multiply this 10 with 7, and again we will multiply this 10 with 5. Okay, and here we will put the symbol of this subtraction, close in bracket. Now beta, let us see solve. Here 10 multiply 7 minus 5 2, 10 2s are 20. So here on left hand side we get 20. So let us see here 10 7s are 70 minus 10 5s are 50. Okay, so here also we will get the same answer. So 20 is equal to 20. So we can say that we can distribute the multiplication over subtraction also. Now students, let us see the application of distributive property, and in our previous class we have already discussed about the application of commutative property. Okay, and today we will discuss about the application of distributive property. Application, what is application beta? Application means use. Okay, use of distributive property, and we use distributive property in the multiplication to make the multiplication easy. Okay, so now let us multiply this number with this number, means here we have to multiply 838 with 103. But according to distributive property, जो numbers है that should be written in this form. Okay, so first let us write this number in this form. So first beta, here we will write 838 as it is. Now break this number. Here 103, so we can write it 100 plus 3, because if we add 103 then again we get 103. So we can break this number like this. Okay, so now according to this we have to multiply this number with this, and then this number with this second. Okay, so here first we will write 838 multiplied. We have to multiply this with 100. So first we will write 838 multiply 100, then plus, because here is written symbol of addition. Okay, now we have to multiply this with 3. So again 838 then 3. Now close these into bracket. So here beta, now here we have to multiply this 100, and it's very easy. So 838 and then these 2 zeros as it is, plus 838 multiply with 3 will give us 3 8s are 24, 2 is carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 and 2 11, 1 is carry, 3 8s are 24 and 125. Now we have to add this and this number. So here we will get 4 1, here 8 and 5 13, 1 is carry, 3 and 2 5, 5 and 1 6, and here 8. So 86,314 is our answer. Okay, so like this we have to solve. We have to use the distributive property. Now beta, here we have to multiply 1037 with 199. So here also we will write it in this form. So 1037 multiply. If I write here 100 plus 99, then we can multiply this number with 100 very easily. But if we multiply 1037 with 99, that it will be not easy. Okay, so let us change it. We can write it like this also, 200 minus 1. Okay, because when we subtract 1 from 200, then also we will get the 199. So we can write it 100 plus 99 or 200 minus 1, both are same. बट अगर हम ये लिखते हैं तो जो मल्टीप्लीकेशन है बेटा वो इजी हो जाएगी. ओके, सो विल राइट दिस. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस विद फर्स्ट नंबर, then multiply this number with second. So here 1037 multiply with 200, then symbol of subtraction, and then we have to multiply this number with 1. So 1037 with 1 close into bracket. Now beta we have to multiply this with 2. Okay, and then we have to put these zeros as it is. So 2 7s are 14, 1 is carry, 2 3s are 6, 6 and 1 7, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, and put these 2 zeros as it is at last. Now here we have to multiply with 1, and when we multiply any number with 1, then we get the same number. Now we have to subtract this from this. So this you have to do yourself. Okay, now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to solve 297 multiply 17 plus 297 multiply 3. Now beta these numbers are written in this form. Okay, here these are written in this form according to left hand side, but these are written according to right hand side. So here we took the help of left hand side. Okay, so here how can we write it? Here is written 12 outside, and then sign of multiplication, and then 5, and then 7. So like this we have to write this also. Okay, first we will put the bracket like this. Now beta we are having two brackets, this and this. So from here and here we can see 297 is common. So here first we will write 297, then sign of multiplication, and now from here 17 is left. Okay, 17 is left from this bracket, क्योंकि 297 तो हमने कॉमन ले लिया है. ओके, सो हियर ओनली 17 इज लेफ्ट. नाउ हियर साइन ऑफ एडिशन, एंड हियर 3 इज लेफ्ट. ओके, सो नाउ बेटा 297 एज इट इज मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ वी हैव टू सोल्व दिस ब्रैकेट. 17 plus 3 will give us 20. Now we have to multiply these. Okay, so now 0 we will write as it is, and now we have to multiply this with 2. 2 7s are 14, 1 is carry, 2 9s are 18, 18 and 1 19, 1 is carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So 5940 is our answer. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to solve it. 62,579 multiply with 169 minus 62,579 multiply with 69. So here beta you can see these numbers are written according to this form. Okay, so now we need to take the help of this. So here also first we have to take the common. Okay, first we will put the bracket here and here. Okay, now we need to take the common from both, and here 62,579 is common. So first we will write 62,579, then sign of multiplication, and now here beta from this bracket 169 is left. Okay, क्योंकि इसको तो हमने कॉमन निकाल लिया है. So here 169 is left, then sign of subtraction. Here is written addition symbol, but here subtraction. So here sign of subtraction. Okay, now this is common, and here from here 69 is left. So like this we have to write. Okay, Now beta, 62,579 as it is. Now we have to solve the bracket, and when we subtract 69 from 169 we get 100. Now we have to multiply this number with 100, and it's very easy. Okay, so here we have to multiply with 1, so we will get the same number, and then we will put these two zeros as it is. Okay, so like this we have to solve. So like this beta, we can use distributive property in the multiplication. Now you have to solve this question by yourself. Okay, you have to multiply 756 with 206, and you have to use the distributive property.